This will be a speed test between the Xiaomi Pocophone F1 versus the Sony Xperia XZ2 Premium. Now both phones have the Snapdragon 845. Both phones have 6 gigs of RAM. However, the Poco F1 comes in at the $300 price range. So can a budget device hang with an actual flagship phone? So I'm gonna go ahead and turn on both at the same time. See which one has the faster boot up. Let's go. And give the boot up win to the Poco F1. And we are in! There's nothing open in the background on both. So let's get started by tapping the phone app. Very close. Messages. F1. Camera. Ooh. Very close. Clock on both. F1. Chrome browser. Go ahead and search for GSM Arena. Let's go. Looking at the progress bar, very similar performance on both. Maybe the F1 was slightly quicker on that. Scroll through this and go to the desktop version. Let's go. And again, looking at the progress bar, very similar performance. Pinch to zoom, nice and butter on both. Leave that in the background. Calculator app. You guys are the judges. Play Store. Very similar performance. Maybe the XZ2P on that one. Couldn't really tell actually. Wish. And leave it on that page. Amazon Shopping. Give that to the Sony boy. Click on the deal of the day. And leave it right there. eBay on both phones. I don't know, maybe the F1? Click on this iPhone. Leave it right there. NFL app. And give this to the Poco F1. Click on this one. Leave it on that page. Baseball app, let's go. Ooh, very close, but maybe the Sony boy on that one. Click on this first one. Leave it on this page. Super Mario Run. Loading on both. And give this to the Poco. Tap to begin. Leave it right there. Subway Surf. Subway Surfers World Tour, Berlin. Give this to the Poco. Tap to play. Leave it right there. Temple Run 2. Temple Run 2 Pirate Cove. I think we have a draw here. Let's find out. And ooh, give this to the Poco F1. Tap to play. Leave that in the background. Asphalt 9. Sony boy slightly ahead. Give this to the Sony boy. Tap the play button. Close it out. San Andreas. Let's go. Looking at the progress bar, both are neck and neck. Maybe the Sony boy out in front a little bit. And give the win to the XZ2 Premium on this one. PlayStation app. Ooh, and give the Sony app a draw. Thought the Sony boy was gonna win that one. Guess not. Instagram. Sony boy, Snapchat. Sony boy again. So let's take a look at the multitasking of both phones. Everything's in the background as you can see. Both have 6 gigs of RAM. Let's just see what happens. Instagram, good to go. PlayStation app, good to go on both. San Andreas, ready to play. Asphalt 9, ready to play on both. Temple Run 2, ready to resume on both. Subway Surfers, ready to resume also. Mario Run, still running in the background. Baseball, same place. NFL, same place. eBay, a little bit faster on the Sony boy. Amazon, Sony boy again, a little bit faster. Play Store, same place. Calculator, a little bit faster on the Sony. Browsing, same place, a little bit faster on the right again. Clock app. Give that to the F1, camera on both. You guys are the judges. Messages. I think that was a reload on both. And the phone app, boom. So hit me up in the comments and let me know what you thought about this matchup. Do you have yourself a Poco F1? Let me know in the comments down below. I want to know what you think about this device with a Snapdragon 845, 6 or 8 gigs of RAM coming in at a very cheap price. Or are you a Sony boy rocking the XZ2, XZ2 Premium? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.